Hello and welcome to Food and Barbecue. Let's make some bone broth. Start off by washing the bones, cover them in water, bring them to a boil and let them boil for about 1 minute to get rid of the impurities. Once they're boiled for a minute or two, just dump the water and the impurities off and then give them a rinse once more. Add the bones to a roasting pan and roast them in the oven for 1 hour at 350 Fahrenheit, 175 Celsius. This will give the broth a lot better flavor. While you're doing that, take the vegetables and fry them in the olive oil just to give them a little bit of a taste, and then cover them with water. I'm making 2 batches, one with celery and one without. The one without I'm actually making in my crockpot, and the one with I'm making in a Dutch oven on the stove. Anyway, all the ingredients are below, just follow that recipe. Don't forget the cider vinegar. Half of the bones in each, and this is what they look the next day. Drain them. I'm using a cheesecloth that I use for everything, and this is what we have. Put them in jars, store them in the fridge, and you're good to go. These will last 5 days in the refrigerator. There we go, some bone broth. Let's try it. This is actually really yummy. I would say it's a 10 out of 10 bone broth wise, at least from all the ones I've made. So this is supposed to be good for you if you're on the keto diet, so just putting this out there for those who want it. Thank you for watching. Bye.